Today, I'm gonna try to make, you got it, hot dog buns. Let me see how this goes. All right, so I think you're gonna need is milk, oil, salt, yeast, flour, sugar. So what's that? Oil, milk, yeast, flour, sugar, salt. I think that's 6. We'll see. I think that's what you need. I'll measure it out and name them off. All right, we're starting out with 4 tablespoons of sugar. One and a quarter teaspoons of salt. There's 1 teaspoon, I'll put it in a quarter. 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Do that off camera. So this is what we got so far, and we're gonna put the milk down in there. We're gonna stir it all up to get it to dissolve. Nice and pretty. 1.5 cups of milk. This is whole milk. This is an old bread maker. So I like to get the best. To solidify it. Sugar and salt and oil. I've made hot dog buns before, but since I like just a lot to make bread, this is let that sit for a minute. So I'm going to be putting in 4 cups of bread flour. This is from Sam's Club as well. And then I'm going to try this 1 packet of dry active yeast. But my plan is to use the dough setting, and that's it. Once that's done, I'll talk about what to do next. I believe I'm going to try to make it into 3 loaf-like things on parchment paper and let those rise for a bit. I'll explain that later, and then I'll cut it into 9 pieces. And there's gonna be some folding, I think, and stuff like that. But as you can see, that's what that looks like. So I will add the flour in next, and then I'll make a valley with the yeast and hit start. There's 4 cups of flour. That's the cup I measured with. I just kind of made a valley. Here's the yeast. Just gonna pour it in there. Get it all out. And then close your door. And hit start. And I guess in an hour and 40 minutes from now. There we go. Here's a little picture of it mixing up. So while that's mixing, I'm gonna make some extra thick smoked bacon in the oven, 400 degrees, I think, for about either 15 or 20 minutes. I just keep an eye on it. And earlier today, I put a roast in a crockpot, a sirloin roast, and I shredded it, and it tastes really good. It's salt, pepper, fresh cracked pepper, thyme, and Johnny's au jus sauce, and a cup of water, and I just shredded it. And actually, when I shredded it, there was a bit of juice in there, and it all absorbed up, so I added another half a cup of water in there, 1/4 cup of water. Just keep it moist until all this is done. It's just on. Keep warm. And there you have it. The bacon on parchment paper. Let's clean up. And set the oven to 400. Once that dings, I'll throw that in. And watch it for 10 to 15, 20 minutes. See how long it takes. 20 minutes later. So the plan is, once these 3 minutes are up, lightly floured parchment paper, cut that into 3 equal pieces here, and then those 3 equal pieces cut into 3 more equal pieces and roll them into 8-inch oblong pieces. And then we'll start folding them. I'll explain that later. And in the meantime, I made some French fries from red potatoes. Put a little cracked pepper on them and olive oil. Now this is done. There's the flour. So I'm going to take that out and set it over there. Here we go. We're going to cut this into 3 equal pieces the best we can. There's that. Now I'm going to cut those into 3 equal pieces each. There we go. 3 equal pieces each. Now I'm going to roll them into about 8 inches long ovals. I'm going to lay them all out on that sheet, and then I'll figure out how to fold them next after that. All right, so this is what I came up with. First time for everything. So fold the dough in half and pinch the edges, and then fold in half and pinch edges again. I'll do that next. All right, so they're folded once, pinched, folded twice, pinched. On the second fold, put the fold underneath and kind of tuck it underneath and kind of try to shape them to the, well, I try to shape them, but it is what it is. It's my first try. And then cover with a cloth for a half an hour, and then you'll turn your oven on to 375, and I believe 20 minutes to cook. I'll come back to that. So I just covered them, and I'll turn the oven on a little bit to 375 and cook 15 to 20 minutes to see how they look. So these have about 6 minutes left of rising. Getting things ready. Get some Johnny's French dip au jus. Get bowls for the au jus dipping. Some butter to butter the buns with. French fries cooking in olive oil air fryer. And the roast beef ready to be tossed on there. Oh yeah, the bacon to top the French dip. All right, ready to do the big reveal. And there they are, 375 degrees, going in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be back. Here are poor Johnny's French dip. Got Jimmy's Johnny's. About that much in, and I'm going to put equal part water and leave them for a couple seconds. Getting closer to being. The assembly process is getting closer. Got the cheese ready to be put on the sandwiches. And the hot beef still going. And we've got 4 minutes left on the French fries and 10 minutes left on the buns. 7 minutes away. Got the bread knife out. I sure hope they have buns. It's real hot dog buns tonight. All right, just a minute to go. We got some French fries. And you go warm up the au jus. Getting close. All right, it's been 15 minutes. There we go. Some of my buns. All right, supposed to let them rest for a minute. I'm gonna cut a couple open and just get going. All right, I think it turned out pretty well. The mozzarella is melting. Butter melted on the bottom. Let's throw some beef on it. And there you have it. All done. Let's fold it over and eat.